So I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee. Gotta love it. I mean, killer barbecue, great music, and you never know who you'll run into. So anyhow, I'm here to check out a joint that's doing grilled cheese, but grilled cheese to a different level. It's not just what they're serving, it's what they're serving it from. Get this, a food truck. This, was that? Nah. Anyhow, this is the grilled cheeserie.
We have 2 Macs on the grill.
It's not trying to be fancy, it's just good and what's right.
Short rib melts.
Translation, gangster grilled cheeses and standout soups. A simple menu that Chef Crystal De Luna Bogan and her musician husband Joseph have stuck to since they opened the truck in 2010.
I got a pimento mac going out with the soup. We got some Tennessee cheddar.
It's a monster.
It's a 40-pound block. We're gonna cut this up, shred it up for the pimento mac and cheese base.
So you're gonna cut the cheese?
I'm gonna cut this cheese with this knife.
So no processed cheese in this crew?
No, sir.
Delicious, okay. So cheese is done.
We're gonna make some mayo. Eggs, garlic, our spice mix, paprika, cayenne, pepper, and then
Hot sauce?
Hot sauce. Again, the mayo.
The slow stream.
So stream, and then the oil. So this kind of replaces the whole roux
I gotcha.
situation. This actually makes it a lot more gooey, and we love our mayo here in the South. All right, now we just assemble. So we got our mac, already cooked it in just some salted boiling water, a little oil. We got our mayo
this
base.
girl thinks she was some pretty little bartender. This girl been cooking.
And here comes the good stuff. We got our cheese.
I'm digging it.
We just want a little bit of noodle, just for some texture, but it's mostly about the cheese.
Righteous.
And then we're just gonna add our roasted peppers. So that's basically it. Assembly time. So we're gonna butter the bread.
Okay.
This is our special butter mix.
Which is
Butter and mayo.
I like it.
Pimento mac and cheese. Some of our beautiful local tomatoes, bacon bits, and then we finish it off with the same cheddar that we've just sliced.
And we go to the grill.
Yeah.
Get it.
Then we press it down.
How long does that take to melt?
About 2.5 minutes on each side. It's all melty. Cut it on halfway. We present it open face so you can see all the goodness.
Okay.
We'll serve it up with some of our house-made pickles.
So the roasted red pepper and tomato soup.
Little basil oil on top. Pimento mac and cheese. Melts.
So I gotta try this sandwich by itself.
What do you think about that?
You know what, I'll tell you something. If you're left with just pimento by itself, well, there's not enough texture.
Yeah.
Texture was the one. But you put the pasta in there and the tomato. A little bit of spice coming out of that as well. This is where it goes on. Uh-huh.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
That's so good. I'm gonna go into like a little dream sequence. I am telling you what, this just takes me back to childhood.
It's a labor of love, so we better produce.
And call it the grilled cheeserie?
We're the place where grilled cheeses are made.
We're the place that dreams about grilled cheeses are fulfilled.